Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we'll solve SSRF Lab 1. The title of the lab is Basic SSRF Against the Local Server. This lab has a stock feature which fetches data from an internal system. To solve the lab, change the stock check URL to access the admin interface at http localhost/admin and delete the user Carlos. So from this description, we understand that the stock check feature has a vulnerability, and our goals are to change the stock check URL to access the admin interface at this URL, localhost, and to delete the user Carlos. We will access the lab. The lab has loaded. We have a home page with a list of products, and we have a My Account page. Let's try to access the admin page. Here it says that the admin interface is only available if logged in as administrator or if requested from loopback. By loopback, they mean localhost or the 127.0.0.1 loopback IP address. We'll go back to the home page. Let's pick a product. Let's pick this picture box. Click View Details. If we go to the bottom, we'll find the Check Stock button. If we click it, it shows us the number of units in stock. So this has the vulnerable feature. We'll go to Burp Suite. What we want to do is to get the request with the vulnerable feature into Repeater so we can edit it. There are two ways to do that. One, we can go to HTTP history and we'll find a post request. If we go down, we'll find the stock API, then URL. This is the vulnerable feature. We'll right click, send to repeater. The second way to send the request to repeater is through the intercept. We'll go to intercept, turn intercept on, then click the check stock button. We'll go back to Burp Suite. We'll go to the intercepted request. We'll see the vulnerable parameter and we can right click, send to repeater as well. Don't forget to turn off intercept. So if we go to repeater, we can click send. We can see that this parameter has a URL. We can highlight the URL, right click, convert selection, URL decode, or we can decode the URL using the keyboard shortcut. In the description, it says that we should change the stock check URL to access the admin at http localhost admin. So we'll copy this. We'll go back in Burp. We'll paste it here. And we'll highlight an URL encoded. Right click, convert selection, URL encode key characters. Click send. 200 OK. So now we want to confirm that we're in the admin page. What we can do is here in the response, we can scroll down and we can see admin panel. Another thing we can do is in the render tab, we can see here admin panel. From either render or pretty, we can right click, request in browser, and copy, open a new tab, paste what we just copied, hit enter, and we can see admin panel here, and the Carlos user. If we try to delete, it will give us the same message, admin interface only available if logged in as an admin or if requested from loopback. If we go back, we have Carlos and the delete button. The only way to delete Carlos is to use the path of the delete button. So to find this path, we'll go here in the response and we'll type Carlos. And then we'll see ahref and then a path of a link. So we'll highlight this, copy it. We'll delete admin here because it's in the path that we copied. URL decode this, convert selection URL decode, paste what we just copied, then URL encode, then send. If we follow redirection, we'll find congratulations, you solved the lab. Congratulations, you solved the lab. And if we go back and navigate to the admin panel, click send, you'll find this message, user deleted successfully, and you will not find the Carlos user. If we go to render, we'll see the message here, user deleted successfully, and there is no Carlos user here. We can also right click, request in browser, copy, and the Carlos user is deleted. Congratulations, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.